Welcome back with
Jelly.
and PB.
Welcome back with Jelly.
And PB.
PB and Jelly.
No,
PB and
we're
Jelly.
gonna continue with our delicious.
But first, we're gonna go ahead and introduce the ingredients.
Okay.
First, we have extra virgin olive oil.
Yummy.
Make sure it's virgin.
We have
I like
sun-dried cranberries.
We have crumb crackers.
And don't forget
Imported from
the
Spain.
lasagna. Okay.
And we also have a lime from Lamonia.
So we're gonna start chipping off this lasagna piece right here, as you can see.
But you're gonna go ahead and want to save one so we can cut up the cranberries later.
So we're just gonna add just like.
Oh, those are your screen notes. Make sure they're nice and crunchy.
Because you want some crunchy. Look at that, delicious. To make it okay. So now we're gonna crumble some cracker.
Doesn't this look delicious? Graham cracker, make sure it's from Safeway. $2 a pound.
Then
Now,
another half. Of that.
now with the sun-dried cranberries, we want to go ahead and chop them finely with the lasagna piece. Everyone, please come in. Please come in closer.
Closer. Oh.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and finely chop. Ah!
Look at her work.
Just stick them in there. Oh.
No. Oh.
So we can go ahead and see the project finished closing. There we go. Now we want to go ahead and take 2. How many? 2. Let me hear you say 2. 2. Many. We're going to go ahead and take 2 squirts of the lime. That is why we are wearing our protective sunglasses.
Because you don't want to get it in your eyes.
1, 2, 1, 2. Okay.
Bam! Bam!
Now we want to go ahead and put in just a dash of EVOO. Make sure it's virgin, unlike you. Okay. Now you want to go ahead and put it in like Rachel Ray. Listen, we are not Rachel Ray. You're better.
Yeah, we make it our own style.
Okay, here we go. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. Count with me, ladies. There we go. That's what.
Do it this way.
PB style.
Hey, hey. So good. Shake it, shake it.
Oh, look at her go. Look at her. Pop, 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 pop.
Just gonna do it like that. Now, next, we are gonna whisk it up after these messages.
Thank you, Broadway.